Hi everyone. Riva, in its latest release, version 1.9.0 beta, supports customization of TTS with SSML. The TME team has been working on updating the Try Before You Buy page to have the UI allow adding SSML tags with simple in-editor buttons. Now let's move on to the demo. The user can just type out the entire text and add SSML tags later, or add them as they are typing. In this demo, I'm going to type the entire text and then add tags. Here is my text. Riva supports customization of generic speech in its latest release. Try it now. First, let's just run it as is. This is the Riva GTS that we're all familiar with no customization at all.
Riva supports customization of generated speech in its latest release. Try it now.
Okay, so that was just plain old Riva GTS, right? Now let's play with this. So I'm going to select customization of generic text and I'm going to bring down the pitch of this piece of text. So I'm going to bring it down to -2.5. So the pitch values can be anything in the range of -3 to 3. It's all relative. So when I set it to -2.5, I'm bringing down the pitch of this piece of text. You'll also notice that speak tags got prepended and appended to this piece of text. This is a mandatory requirement of SSML, right? SSML needs any piece with SSML tags to first contain speak and to end with speak tags as well. Now let's also change the speed of this piece of text. I'm going to bring it down to 50%. The speed can range from 25% to 250%. Again, it's all relative. Let's just run this.
Riva supports customization of generated speech in its latest release. Try it now.
Okay. So as you can see, there was a pretty noticeable difference, especially for the speed, right? Now, SSML also supports nested tags. So inside customization of generated speech, where we've actually modified the pitch, I'm going to select generated speech and then modify its speed. I'm going to make it faster by a factor of 2, so 200%, and then let's just run it again.
Riva supports customization of generated speech in its latest release. Try it now.
There you go. So that is customization of TTS with SSML, and as you can see, the Try Before You Buy page lets the users play around with this feature before they actually dive deeper into Riva. Thank you, and have a good day.